Hey, this is Lou from YA Strength, and whether you've been doing intermittent fasting for a long time or if you're just getting into it, having the right mindset is key. And when it comes down to it, intermittent fasting is not a quick fix, it's not a cheat sheet, it's not a cheat code, or some type of shortcut you can use to reach your weight loss goals or become healthier. But instead, intermittent fasting is simply an eating approach that works very well for some people if done in a proper and healthy way that's built into your lifestyle. With that said, keep on watching as I provide you with some tips on how to adopt the right mindset when it comes to intermittent fasting. So stay tuned and don't forget to show love, subscribe, and help me grow. Let's get started. Okay, so when thinking about adopting the right mindset when it comes to intermittent fasting, it's important to understand that intermittent fasting works well and is very effective if done in a healthy way. So yes, you probably heard many people tell you about their amazing weight loss success or stories about how intermittent fasting has helped them with their overall health and that their results were just out of this world. But those successes are often attributed to the fact that those people who achieved those goals through intermittent fasting were able to remain consistent and they were making steady progress. And most importantly, they likely ate a fairly healthy diet most of the time. And the truth is, those points that I just mentioned apply to many things, not just intermittent fasting. So keep that in mind whenever you're trying something new or for any other goals that you might have. But to get back to intermittent fasting, here's a few quick tips to help you adopt the right mindset. First, you have to be patient. Success does not happen overnight. It doesn't happen in a day. It doesn't happen in a week. And it usually doesn't happen in just 1 month either. And if you're approaching intermittent fasting in a healthy and sustainable way, it should take time for you to lose weight or reach your target weight goal. And the truth is, when you lose weight slowly, it's more likely that you'll be able to keep that weight down. And on the opposite end of that, if you drop a significant amount of weight in just a couple of weeks, it's likely that that weight can easily creep back up on you because your body doesn't naturally just drop a significant amount of weight in just a couple of weeks. So try to adopt the mindset of taking your time and being patient when it comes to intermittent fasting. A second tip that's helpful in adopting the right mindset is that you'll want to set realistic expectations. Try setting your goals based on what's actually possible and then put a healthy lens on top of it. And to give you an example to help explain what I mean by that, here's a question for you. Is losing 20 pounds in 1 week possible? And the answer, of course, is yes, it can be done. It's possible. But if you put a healthy lens on it, let's be honest, does losing 20 pounds in 1 week sound healthy? In my opinion, it doesn't. Losing 20 pounds in 1 week doesn't sound too healthy, but let me know if you feel differently in the comment sections below. Regardless, try adopting the mindset of setting your goals based on realistic expectations with a healthy lens on it. And last, and I touched on this a bit earlier, but being consistent is key. And this really ties into my other 2 tips when it comes to adopting the right mindset for intermittent fasting. But being patient about your goals, setting realistic expectations, and being consistent at what it takes to achieve those goals is the mindset that you should have when doing intermittent fasting. Having consistent effort towards one goal is one of the best ways to focus, buckle down, and achieve success. And that applies to many things too, not just intermittent fasting. Let me know if you have any additional tips about adopting the right mindset when it comes to intermittent fasting and put those in the comment section below. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. As always, thank you for watching. This is Lou from YA Strength. See you in the next video.